Bitcoin just dropped below $100,000. We can see we went here to $99,000, and I'm already starting to buy more Bitcoin because as we can see here, we are on the daily RSI. And look at this, guys. We've been oversold on the daily RSI. This hasn't happened for a very long time. We can see here last time we were oversold here was the big liquidation crash from a couple of weeks ago, and since then we can see here Bitcoin had still some nice moves to the upside, 12% just on spot. So quite amazing opportunity, guys. And also the biggest here, let me quickly showcase it to you here. The biggest opportunity to buy Bitcoin was, let's zoom out a little bit. We can see it was somewhere around here, and we can see the RSI was also massively oversold here on the daily. That's a good indicator to start buying more. I don't think the drop is finished yet. It looks like the market is very shaky and very uncertain. So I would wait with the big positions. I would definitely wait for a trend reversal confirmation. For now, the trend is definitely downwards. We can see here lower high, and also here lower low, and then again another lower low. So it's possible that Bitcoin will do something like this and then go for another low again. It's not unlikely. We need to be prepared for this situation. Let's see what will happen in the upcoming weeks. But I'm already starting to open some trades and buying more on the spot market. I'm buying more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana mainly. Those are some of my biggest holdings, and I'm happy to accumulate more. But for now, we can see the RSI here is a good indicator for us. So we still can go a little bit lower, but now it's already time to start buying it. That's why I've been mentioning, don't buy at the peak already after this crash I mentioned. Guys, be careful. Don't jump into any big positions. Don't use too high leverage. Just wait patiently on the sidelines. There's going to be even bigger and better opportunities for us to buy. And we can see here, Bitcoin went even lower than the liquidation spike right here, right now. So even now, we can easily buy more at a lower price. We just basically relaxed on the sidelines for 2-3 weeks. Now, let's also take a quick look at Ethereum. What is happening right here? Ethereum, we can see we broke below this line here, and it doesn't look good at all. We can see here, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Same here, lower high, lower high, lower high, and again another lower high. It doesn't look good at all for Ethereum. We are on a major support right now. We hit already here. We can see it went down to $3,058. That I would say is a major support line, but for now we have to go above this zone again. We can see here this was a support zone before, and this needs to be broken to the upside again. It turned into a resistance zone right now, so we need to watch it carefully and wait for a nice confirmation from there. For now, Ethereum, I said I would like to buy something here at around 3,300, but right now I think it's even better to just wait on the sidelines. We had this dip below here, and usually we tend to confirm these drops. So what might happen right now for Ethereum is we might go lower here, create a double bottom, and then start a new uptrend. This is one of the possibilities, or we will face this rejection here and we will start going lower and create another lower low at around 2,842. Let's see. For now, Ethereum also very oversold here on the daily RSI, on the 4-hourly even more. So we need to be careful right now. It can go a little bit lower. We are not super oversold, but still, we can see the last time Ethereum was this oversold. We have to go around 20 area. So 20 zone, that's one of the best times to buy if you want to play it very safe. So since then, look at this. Ethereum did 210% since the last time. I'm actually gonna share this on Twitter as well. so we can see it more clearly. Ethereum right now is getting into the oversold zone on the daily. This might be a life changing opportunity for many people out there that didn't buy Ethereum when it was below $3,000. So I think we might have a spike to the downside, and then we will go and higher. I think this is just a little bit of a shakeout. It's quite normal. I anticipated this already. Like back here when we were at $4,200 after the big drop, I said, guys, wait, we are not in an uptrend yet. It's time to wait. The market was overbought. I was patiently waiting on the sidelines for the right opportunity, and I think the right opportunity is closer than the most people think. Many people think it's over, and we can also see it here on the crypto fear and greed index. We are almost in the extreme fear zone. Check this out, guys. We are at 20, and we just need to wait a little bit, because last time this happened was in April, and guys, check this out. April was here. Look what happened last time we've been this fearful. 260% pump to the upside on Ethereum since the last time it was in the extreme fear zone. And I think just a couple of days of uncertainty, and then we might go to the upside. Even now, it's already good to start laddering into trades. Don't use high leverage, use only a small portion of your capital and slowly ladder into trades. Slowly, slowly. In case we go lower, you can add more to your positions and keep them up like that. Make sure your liquidation point is quite low, so use maybe like only 5x leverage, and you can adjust the leverage once the positions are breaking the profit. So you can open a 5x leverage position, and once they are good in the profits, you can take out the margin and adjust the leverage also. This was it for today's video. Don't worry, every sale is a new buying opportunity, and every dip brings more gains afterwards. We have to go down to go back up again. So keep that in mind. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time.